Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, introduce myself. My name is Indah Syariatul Islamiyah. I'm student 5 semester from English Education Language Department at University of Muhammadiyah Bogoraya. In here I will explain an article. The title is Children High Level Writing Skill. Okay, why I choose this article? Because I have two reasons. The first reason is writing is complex. It involves cognitive process like planning and revising, not just putting word on paper. The second reason is many students struggle with writing, specifically with high-level skill. Understanding why is crucial for future teachers. What interests me for choose this title? The distinction between knowledge telling younger student versus knowledge transforming older student. The fact that simple detecting an error doesn't mean a student knows how to correct it. What is article about it? It tracks the development of planning and revising skill from grade 4 until 9. It examines if the skill predict writing quality. It compares younger students grades 4 until 6 versus compares younger students grades 4 until 6 versus older students grade 7 until 9. Difficult word number 1 is incremental validity, whether a new test adds value and prediction beyond what is already known. Number 2 is recursive. Recursive is a process that repeats itself in writing. You plan, write, and revise in a loop, not just a straight line. Number 3 is substantive error. Substantive error is an error related to meaning, consistency, or sequence, not just grammar or spelling. Number 4, holistic scale. Evaluating the text as a whole, idea, organism, rather than counting errors. Keyword explanation. Number 1 is planning. Planning is generating and organizing idea and setting goals. Can be advanced before writing or online during writing. Number 2 is translating. Transforming ideas into language, text generation, and putting them on paper, transcription. Keyword explanation. Keyword explanation have four, just as revising. Revising is detecting and correcting problems in the text. Number 2 is mechanical revision. Spelling, punctuation, and syntax. Number 3 is substantive revision, such as meaning, consistency, sequence. Keyword explanation have four types. Number 1 is revising. Revising such as detecting and correcting problems in the text. Number 2 is mechanical revision, such as spelling, punctuation, and syntax. Number 3, substantive repetition, such as meaning, consistency, and sequence. Theoretical background. Based on Hayes and Flower 1918 cognitive model, writing involves three main processes. Number 1 is planning, translating, and revising. Younger writing usually master translating first, planning and revising develop later. Study items. Study items. Items 1 to 3 how planning and revising develop from grade 4 until 9. Item 2 to see if the skill predict good writing quality in younger versus older student. Hypothesis 1 and hypothesis 2 Planning and revising skill will increase with grade level. Hypothesis 3. Students will be better at correcting errors than detecting them. And hypothesis 4. The skill with predict writing quality in older students 7 until 9 but not younger ones 4 until 6. Okay. Methodology procedure tasks. Task 1. Writing. Plan 3 minutes and writing 8 minutes. A story about a child who lost his or her pet. Task 2. Revising. Fix a profile story containing 6 mechanical errors and 6 substantive errors. Methodology measure. Planning score rate 1 until 9. Planning score rate 1 until 6 based on complexity from no plan to graphic organizer. Revising score count of errors detected and corrected. Writing quality relate 1 until 7 by judge based on idea, organization, and vocabulary. Result. Development of planning. Development on planning. Result. Development of planning. Planning ability generally increase result development of planning. Planning ability generally increased from grade 4 to 9. There was a drop stationary period between grade 4 until 5 and 6 until 7, likely due to school transition. Students were always better at correcting errors than detecting them. Number 1, mind findings. Students were always better at correcting errors than detecting them. Number 2 is mechanical repetition. Improved significantly with grade. Number 3 is substantive repetition. Improved but remained poor even for older students. Contribution to writing quality. For younger students, planning and revising did not predict writing quality. For younger students, planning and revising did not predict writing quality. Quality was predicted by handwriting fluency. Conclusion and discussion. Why the difference? The younger students use knowledge telling. They just write down what they know without much planning. And older students use knowledge transforming. They reorganize ideas to fit reasoning. Educational implication. Planning and revising are not fully developed in school and children. Such action, teacher should actively teach planning and meet standards. The actions such as teachers should actively teaching planning and revising strategies early on, not just wait for students to nature. And conclusion, high-level skill, planning, revising, grow with age or schooling. They become critical for good writing in the middle or high school. And the instruction is needed to help students master these skills. Okay, enough for me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye.